So hello beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anne and here we talk everything about business, lifestyle and everything in between. Continue to talk about the things we have to consider when starting a business and the tools that can help us align ourselves to success. I want us to talk about the strategy diamond. The strategy diamond is a simple but powerful framework developed to help the business to clearly identify and align their strategy. So what it does, it answers the 5 critical questions every business must be clear about. So the strategy diamond looks like this. The first segment answers the question to where will we be active? This is called the arenas. So this defines your playing field. So think about the markets. Are you going to be active in Rwanda, in East Africa, or globally? You also think about your customers. Which kind of customers are you targeting? Are they women? Are they men? Are they younger or older? Which channels are you going to use in order to reach to your customers or your customers to reach out to you? Are you going to be working online, have a physical shop, doing events? In the second segment, there is vehicles. And this answers the question to how will we get there? You already know which field are you going to be playing in or your arenas, where you are going to be active. So how are you going to get there? The vehicles, how are you going to enter or grow in these areas? Are you going to build it from scratch, or you are going to partner with an already existing business? This is the way you think about how you're going to start or how you're going to enter into the market. So in the third segment, you answer the question of how will we win? This includes how you differentiate yourself from other people who are already in the market. What is something different you bring into the market? So you ask yourself what makes you unique and why should your customers care to buy from you and not the others. So in the fourth segment, you are going to answer the question to what will be our speed and sequencing. It's called staging. So in this segment, you are going to think about the timing and priorities. What comes first? What comes later? And how fast will you grow? In the fifth segment, you're going to answer the question of how will we make money, which is the economic logic at the center of the diamond. It's about revenue streams, cost structure, and pricing strategies. Next, you may ask yourself, why does it matter to consider this strategy diamond? So it helps you to avoid confusion and scattered ideas, align your vision with execution. It also helps you to make it clear when you're telling someone else, give an opportunity for partnerships, and it is also necessary in order to make better decisions on growth and partnerships. So mostly how it works, and the reason why I say that it answers the 5 critical questions every business must be clear about, is that for the arenas, you are looking at where are we going to be active, or the fields you're going to be playing in. And the vehicles will answer how are you going to get there. And differentiators, you're going to know what are you going to do to win, how to differentiate yourself, and how the things you have to do in order to win. And the staging shows you when time you're going to be taking the different steps, or the kind of speed or sequence you're going to be working on. And the economic logic, which is at the core of your diamond, it shows you how are you going to be making money. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any idea or thoughts you can add, leave it in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye.